Not too sure where we're going, but we're going to figure it out. It's supposed to be boring, but it's not boring. I'll check in soon. There's a moment in everyone's life when you wake up and the wind and rain is pelting you and you go, do you know what, I should just be in bed. I think I'm going to roll over, I'm not going to do anything else. And then your mate says, come on, I think we've got to get out. But nature's just beautiful, and he drags you out to the Eden forest and you end up hiking 301 meters and you turn around and you literally are in Eden. Look at the state of that. Out here with John Boy, and we are absolutely blessed to be alive. This place is gorgeous. We're going to try and get a little bit higher, get up to one of those waterfalls, but there is just so much water